your girl Daisy, and I am here with another video. So I've been getting this request about burping. So I decided to jump on here today with another video to burp. I'm gonna use Coca-Cola and see if I can burp on Coca-Cola. So I'm gonna get straight to it. If you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit the bell, and okay, let's do this. Okay, you guys, here you go. And if you don't like loud noises, smacking, burping, this is not the channel for you, and I do understand. Yeah. Woo! If you're just not coming to my page, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell below. I would love for you to be a beautiful flower. Woo! And there you have it, you guys. I finished my Coca-Cola. I gave my fan, my supporter, what he requested. He wanted me to burp. There you have it. I love you guys. Happy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. My birthday is tomorrow. I'll be right back with you guys for my birthday. I'm going to spend it with you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell. And I love you guys.